guys, good actually it's noon. Good afternoon to everyone and happy Thursday. And today I'm gonna make what do you call this? I forgot. Maja Blanca. So I'm gonna make a Maja Blanca. Actually, I've done this. I've cooked this few years back and it was failed actually. Now again, this is my second time. I'll try it again. So anyway, Maja Blanca is ready and it has been sitting in the fridge for like actually 2 hours or like more than almost 3 hours. And I just got up from my nap actually. I was so sleepy. Now, as you can see, ta-da! See, as you can see guys, just a small slice.
Yeah,
Just have a small slice.
I'm going to make you. I'm gonna put some sweets today and everything.
And now we just have a bite.
Bye.
I
don't like this.
Don't eat it.
I never had this before.
I love it. For the ingredients for the Maja Blanca, we need the following. And we need a coconut milk. Actually, it's the best if you use the fresh one. Actually, that was the best option, but I don't have it here with me. So I only have canned coconut milk, which is easily available in the market here in Middle East. And aside from that, we need also whole kernel corn in a can. In a can also I have. So we need some of this. I'm not gonna use all can because it's just too much. And also, actually these walnuts is just an optional, but I just love to put walnuts since I have it in our stock. So I'm just gonna use some of the walnuts, and we're gonna also use condensed milk. Okay, I'm not gonna add any sugar because condensed milk is already sweet. So if you don't have condensed milk, of course you can use your sugar. And aside from that, we're gonna use this is fresh milk, or if you have evaporada milk, that also okay. And I have put inside the cornstarch. Cornstarch is to make the our Maja Blanca becoming thick and smooth. So that's the purpose for the cornstarch.
Guys, I drink milk with this one, and I have my scooter here. It's too heavy to bring it here.
Actually, she's doing scooter inside the house. She just finished her school actually, so now it's time for her to play.
And guys, last time I removed this one because I really want a skateboard, but now I'm nervous, so I put that on.
Yes, because her what is this? What you call scooter?
Yeah.
The handle actually it can be removed, so she remove it and she uses like a skateboard.
But I'm too nervous to do that.
Yeah, because it will just go. Okay, anyway,
and
guys,
if this go back, so I'm so nervous, so I put it on. When it become big, I can remove that handle.
Yes. So now, let's just get started, guys. So first, we have to make sure that we have to shake this first. Shake it properly.
Before you pour it in.
Yes. And we put it in our pot.
Pot of gold.
Pot of gold.
Yeah,
just put it in.
That's how the leprechaun said.
And first, let's just get this boiled first, and before we put our other ingredients. Let's just boil this first. We just cover and boil. So as you can see, it is boiling now. So now it's time for us to put I'm gonna put our condensed milk. Condensed milk, I just have to estimate because I don't want too much sweetness on my Maja Blanca.
Maja Blanca, right, Mama?
Yes, so I don't want too much sweetness. Just have to try. Yeah, this is perfect for me. I just have to put like around 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. And then we can add our corn. I think this is enough. And
this is so hot.
We can add this is actually chopped walnuts or whatever nuts you have, as you prefer. But I have walnuts, I'm using walnuts. And we just have to keep on stirring this. Make sure it doesn't get burned down on the bottom.
Yeah.
Just keep on stirring. I want to check if the sweetness is enough. I like it, that's enough. So let's just get this boiled. So I just have to finish this 1 can of corn. It is around 340 grams.
I like corn.
Anyway, corn is always nice, so it's okay.
I like corn.
If you can put more corn.
Party.
Isabella likes corn actually, so.
And in that someday they have a corn party. I like that one.
Yes. Normally, if I go to the vegetables market where I could get cheaper sweet corn, so I'll buy it. Normally I buy by bulk, like 5 kg or 6 kg. So what I do with that, I remove the, what we call it, cover. I remove that, and then I'll wrap it in a sling wrap and then freeze it. So every time if I'm going to cook, I will remove it 2 hours or 1 hour before from the freezer. So that's what I'm doing. I don't want to put in the normal chiller because it gets you know, like I don't know, the corn itself changed, the look of the corn is changed. I don't know, somehow it's becoming not nice. So to put in the freezer, it will actually preserve the sweet corn.
And guys, you know what? I like corn so much.
Yes. Corn is always nice and it has a good health benefits.
You know what's freezer, guys? That's fridge.
Yes.
Fridge party.
And now, as you can see, it's nicely boiling. This is the time. I can also smell the corn as well. So this is the time that we can put our fresh milk with cornstarch. I'm putting cornstarch of 1 teaspoon, but I'm using this kind of teaspoon. Okay, this kind of teaspoon I'm using. So I'm putting 1 of that.
Hello guys.
So
Bye guys.
You just have to put it inside and give a good stir to stir it. See, as you can see, I have lots of corn and walnuts inside. You just have to keep stirring it until it's becoming smooth and it become thicker. Just keep doing it. Then you just have to keep on stirring it. Make sure that it doesn't get burned on the bottom. So you have to check in between. So guys, I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of cornstarch with milk to dilute it because it was not enough. So actually we need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It was just less when I put the first time, so I'm adding it. So now, this is okay now. For me, this is okay. So we have to transfer this in a container. So now I have here my container. So I just have to transfer it here. And you have to be careful so you won't get hurt.
Be careful, I like to get hurt.
Yes.
Don't get the smoke, Mama, so smelly.
Yes. So we have to make sure that we have to spread it evenly like this. So this is our Maja Blanca, but first we have to cool down this outside, and then once it's okay and cooled down, we can put in the chiller and chill for around 2 to 3 hours. This is perfect to serve when it's cold. This one also, if you want, you can also put toppings in this. You can use latik or you can use groundnuts. You have to smash the groundnuts like into a powder. You can put it on the top, or else you can also use cheese or a roasted coconut meat in the roasted one. So it's up to you anyway what you want to put on your toppings, but for me this is good enough for me, as I have mixed some generous amount of corn and walnuts, so I don't want to put anything on the top. So first I'll come back to you once it is chilled. So I'll see you then.
Hi guys.
Our Maja Blanca is ready, and it has been sitting in the fridge for like actually 2 hours, or like more than almost 3 hours. And I just got up from my nap actually. I was so sleepy. Now, as you can see, ta-da!
I want to see.
Come. So, ouch.
Sorry, Mom.
I just cut it. I'm just gonna show you on how I cut. Cut like this. Into a small portion only. So we'll have 1 slice every time we'll have.
You need to like this, Mom. So
Yes.
safe, Mama.
Yes. This time I do it right. I was so tired today. I was so sleepy, so I just have my power nap. A power nap.
Can I give Mama a massage?
Yeah, she gave me a massage and it was really, really nice. She put me to sleep.
I'm going to make you put this
See, as you can
today.
see guys, just a small slice.
Yeah,
Just have a
Mama,
small
I'm
slice.
I'm going to make you. I'm going to put some to sleep today. And
Yes.
every day.
And now we just have a bite.
Bye.
Mmm.
I don't like this.
Don't eat it. Mmm.
I never had this before.
I love it. Mmm. Really nice. No joke, it's so nice. And it's lots of peanuts, walnuts, and corn.
And sugar.
No sugar.
brown sugar. No, why this all stuff is like that?
It's okay. I finish.
I just touched it.
Very nice.
Very nice, guys. You can try this too.
I hope you like my Maja Blanca recipe today.
Video today. Make sure you
And
give it
I hope you have an awesome day.
Yeah.
And I'll see you to our next one. Bye.
And guys, give a thumbs up for this recipe.
Yes, and for those
Who liked this
if you
recipe?
like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
Guys,
Please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time we have a new uploads.
and guys, if you hit the thumbs up button, double, you won't miss any videos with our videos.
Yeah, so
Bye.
we'll see you to our next
Next one, bye.